In this video I would like to talk to you about how to be more confident on camera, and a really good exercise when you are watching yourself, you have recorded yourself and you feel that this is not me, what is this? A good exercise is to imagine that the viewer is kind of deaf. Let me explain. Hello, my name is Fredrik. I'm a rapid video marketer. I like to create videos fast for myself and for my customers. If you want to learn how to be a really rapid video marketer and also be confident and comfortable in front of the camera, subscribe to this channel or visit rapidvideomarketer.com. Now, I have clients coming up to me saying that when I look at myself, I have recorded a video, it doesn't feel like me. I'm kind of shy. I can't really hear myself. Can you help me with this? And I always say that try to imagine that the person you are talking to, the camera lens, is deaf. Because what do you do when a person in real life can't really hear you? Well, you start to talk a little bit louder. You start to talk a bit slower. You exaggerate, you use your lips, you pronunciate, you use your muscles in your face, and you exaggerate also and describes with your body language. And exactly that is a really, really good exercise for you to do when you're recording video, because we live in a three-dimensional world. It's really easy in reality to feel the energy, to feel the expression and what we mean. But on camera, it all disappears. So we need to bring it up. We need to raise our voice. We need to exaggerate more. If you were standing here right now besides me and was looking at me right now, you will feel that he's kind of crazy. But I guarantee you, when you're watching this, you don't feel like this is something strange. This is normal. And it will be this for you also. It will feel awkward talking to a deaf person onto a little black lens. But if you practice this, and you will feel later on when you're watching yourself that this pretty good, it looks normal. And it's a really, really good exercise to do that. So practice on this. Try to exaggerate everything when you talk. If you are feeling that this is too much, bring it down a little bit and fine tune it, and sooner or later, not sooner or later, soon you will feel that this is really good and you are using this exercise to be more clear on camera so that people can feel your passion and your energy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn more, visit rapidvideomarketer.com. Until next time, I wish you a nice day.